and open page number 6. And open page number 6. We are doing page number 6 right now, everyone. Turn on page number 6. Yes, yes. Beta, have I given you this page number as homework? Are you sure about it? So do you understand about each and everything, faces, ages and vertices? Okay, one by one I am asking. One by one I am asking. Look at your screen. Right now I am sharing screen. Beta, kindly look at your screen. Yes, bachcho. Mariam, I would like to request you kindly unmute yourself. Mariam, unmute yourself right now. But I am requesting you. Okay. Mariam, look at your screen. There is a cube. Are you watching?
Yes.
Okay. Listen my instruction very carefully and give me answer what I am asking. First of all, look at the cube. Okay. Can you tell me how many vertices are you watching right now in cube shape? Mariam, can you tell me? Zara, wait. Mariam.
Yes.
Aras, wait. Beta, kindly, can you tell me the vertices of cube?
हमारी पर म्यूटेड है। वो क्या हो गया? तुम ना कैमरे पे चमाट खाओगी बहुत जोर से।
Mariam, what happening, beta?
Yes.
Can you tell me how many vertices are there in cube shape? Do you know what is vertices? Mariam,
Yes.
are you here, Mariam? Beta, can you tell me? Mariam, beta, reply me. Can you tell me the vertices?
Maybe 4.
Sorry?
Maybe 4.
4. No, Mariam. Okay, Dua. Dua, you can speak. Yes, Dua. Can you tell me the vertices?
टीचर वो कौन सा पेज नंबर है?
Beta, it's page number 6. Beta, can you tell me? Okay, Zara, I am giving you opportunity. Kindly tell me how many vertices are you watching on cube shape? Kindly tell me, Zara. Zara, beta, kindly contribute in the class. Beta, speak. Then you have to learn how to explain anything. Zara, it's too much loud, Zara.
Food.
Sorry. Okay, Hassan. Hassan superhero, kindly speak. How many vertices are you watching?
8.
Beta, how? Can you explain more?
8 vertices.
Beta, can you explain more? I am allowing you. No, okay.
Yes.
Beta, but your answer is correct. Now I am explaining to other students. Aras, you also have given me correct answer. But I am explaining to those students who didn't understand about the vertices. Right now, look at your worksheet, page number 6. On third diagram, you are watching cube. Okay? Now listen how Miss Ikra count vertices. Kissa Fatma, look at your screen, beta. Mariam, you too. Look at the screen. 1 vertices means when two lines joining at a common endpoint, that means that point is called vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Mariam, kindly look at your screen. क्या मिस इकरा ने सही पॉइंट क्रिएट करे हैं? लुक एट योर स्क्रीन बच्चों. क्या आपको समझ आ रहा है कि वर्टाइसेस क्या होते हैं? मैंने आपको बताया था सिंगुलर पॉइंट जब होता है उसे हम कहते हैं वर्टेक्स. जब बहुत सारे पॉइंट डायग्राम में होते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? वर्टाइसेस. So Mariam, look at your screen because you didn't give me correct answer. Kindly look at your screen. How many vertices are there on cube? Kindly watch. 8. Okay. Now you have to write on your worksheet 8 vertices. Everyone please write. Because in 3D shapes you have to learn about the vertex, faces and edges. If you don't understand any one of this, so it will be difficult to you. Yes, Aras, I know you did it. Many of you are telling me that you have done this page number, but right now I am explaining again. Yes, Kissa Fatma, you can type message, beta. Now look at your screen, beta. Can you tell me how many faces are you looking right now? Faces means front part. आप देखिए क्यूब में आपको कितने फ्रंट पार्ट नजर आ रहे हैं, फिर आप मुझे एक्सप्लेन कर बताइए. Can anyone tell me? Aras, do you want to give me answer? Okay, Aras. Aras, but you have to explain completely, okay? Okay, now explain, Aras, how many faces are you watching?
6.
6. Okay, can you explain me, Aras, how?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 back sides.
Wait, Aras. Okay, Aras, your answer is correct, but you can, would you like to explain more because the student don't understand about it clearly? Okay, now students again listen to your teacher. I am explaining how many faces are there right now. Sabika, where are you, beta? Turn on your camera. I don't want to see Kola. I want to see you, beta. Everyone turn on your camera. Please turn on your camera, Mariam and other students. Then I want to watch you, beta. Okay, now beta listen. This is first phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, fifth phase, and sixth phase. Look at your screen, everyone. Is it fine? Have you understood right now how many phases does cube have? Kindly tell me. Raise the hand, give me thumbs up. Mariam, have you understood right now? Do you understand? Do you understand about the vertices? Okay, thank you, Mariam. Jafar, Turn on your camera. Hassan Ahmed, turn on your camera, please. So you recognize how many faces does the cube has right now? You have to find the edges of cube. Look at your screen. Can anyone explain about the edges of cube? Mariam, on Friday we had discussed about the edges. Edges means line. Can you count how many? Mariam, I am allowing you to speak. Beta, you are a little bit confused. That's why I am asking you again and again. Yes, speak, Mariam. Kindly tell me ages. Mariam counts the line.
Are there 7?
7. Are you sure about it, Mariam? Kindly count
8.
each and every line. Again, Mariam. Beta, look at your worksheet. There is a cube. Count the lines. How many lines are there?
8.
Mariam, again, I am telling you again, please count all lines. Mariam, please count.
9 is lines. 9.
9. Okay, can anyone else? Jafar, do you want to give me answer? No. तो बेटा आप लोगों ने ये वर्कशीट सॉल्व कैसे की? तो इसका मतलब आप लोग खुद से नहीं कर रहे थे. इनाया, okay, Inaya want to give me answer. Okay, Inaya, I am allowing you. Inaya, okay, Inaya, speak, beta. Speak. Inaya.
There's 12 edges.
How many edges?
12.
Just tell me numbers. 12. Yes, correct. Can you explain more, Inaya?
There's more what? This.
बेटा आप मुझे मजीद बताइए कि आपने 12 एजेस कैसे काउंट की ताकि बच्चों को आए करना.
This line जो बनी हुई है वो that's called edges.
हाँ, I know the lines are called edges. So are you sure there are 12 edges? Anyone else?
Yes.
Who are agreeing with Inaya that there are 12 edges? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कौन कौन एग्री कर रहा है इनाया के साथ कि इनाया जो कह रही है कि 12 एजेस हैं क्यूब के पास? क्या इनाया सही कह रही है? रेज द हैंड. बेटा सोचिए और जवाब दीजिए मिस इकरा को. ओके, नूरुल हादी कह रहे हैं, जारा कह रहे हैं, कंजा भी कह रही है कि 12 आंसर इज करेक्ट, जाफर भी कह रहे हैं. ओके, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल स्टूडेंट आर सेइंग. तो ओके, नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग फॉर दोस स्टूडेंट हु डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड येट. नाउ लुक एट योर स्क्रीन अगेन. बेटा ख्याल से देखिएगा सब. 1, this is age Mariam. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So Inaya, your answer is correct. Clapping for you. Okay. Mariam, please turn on your camera now. Have you understood about the edges, Mariam? Because rectangle, cuboid, you have to do solve it. Okay. So you have to write 12 edges of cube. Done, bachcho? Okay. Now we are moving towards the next diagram. That is cone. Okay. Mariam, please turn on your camera. I am allowing you. Yeah, beta, almost all students have done, but many of you, I don't know how you have solved this worksheet. Okay, Zayan, you have to wait. First, I want to ask Mariam because she is very confused. Mariam, where are you, beta? I didn't find your name, Mariam. I think you left. Okay, Jafar, speak. Yes, Jafar, speak. Jafar, speak. Can you tell me the vertices of cone? Jafar,
Yes, teacher.
Beta, tell me vertices of cone. How many vertex are you watching on phone?
Okay, teacher.
Tell me, beta, right now. Look at that picture on your screen and tell me. Please do it fast, Jafar. Jafar, I will give to other students opportunity. Kindly do it fast. Jafar, I can't hear you.
Teacher, 2.
Now, beta, I'm asking vertex, the joining point. Where is the joining point, Jafar?
Up.
Up. So, how many points are there? Jafar, please tell me.
Yes, teacher.
Beta, how many vertex or vertices are you watching on screen in the picture of cone? Can you tell me?
Teacher,
Mariam, wait.
2.
2. Okay, Jafar. Yes, Mariam, speak. Hassan Superhero, please wait. You have to write your answer.
Yes.
Can you tell me the vertex? Where is the vertex and how many vertex are you watching?
There's only one vertex.
Yeah, correct answer, Mariam. Clapping for you, beta. जितनी भी confusion हो मेरे साथ discuss कर लिया करो.
Because there's only one joining point at the top.
Yes, correct answer, Mariam. So, beta, you have to write one vertex. Yes, Sabika, wait, beta. On cone diagram, you have to write one vertex. Okay? Now we are moving towards the edges. So, Daniel, better speak. Tell me how many edges are there in cone shape?
2.
2. Very good, very good, Daniel.
पेज नंबर क्या है?
Wait,
6 है ना टीचर?
beta, wait. So, students, you have to write 2 edges of cone. Okay? Now we are moving towards the faces. Who wants to give me answer? Mariam, you have to wait now. Who wants to give me answer? Hassan Superhero, please give me answer. Hassan Superhero, kindly tell me the answer of faces. How many faces are you watching?
2.
2. Can you tell me the name of 2 faces, Aras? Where I have to see 2 faces? Please tell me. Please give me instruction, teacher. You have to see up and down where I have to see. To find 2 faces, Aras, can you tell me? Yes, tell me. Yes, Nurul Hadi, your turn.
One at the top and one at the bottom.
Okay, Aras, well done. Good job, baby. Now we are moving towards the cylinder. And Nurul Hadi will give me answer. Okay. Nurul Hadi, look at the diagram. Nurul Hadi, look at the diagram and tell me the faces of cylinder. Zara, this is not your eating time, beta, and don't turn off your camera, please. Okay, Nurul Hadi, please speak. Nurul Hadi. Beta, speak. How many faces are you watching?
6.
6. How, beta? Can you tell me how?
4.
How? Again, I am asking you how. Faces means कि आप अगर शेप को देख रहे हैं तो आपको कितनी तरफ से शेप की साइड्स नजर आ रही हैं? Wait, Jafar. First, Nurul Hadi will give me answer. Then you have to. Nurul Hadi, beta, please tell me. Then I will explain. Okay, Nurul Hadi is quiet now. Jafar is Now Nurul Hadi has said about 3 faces of cylinder. Okay. So let me ask from Kissa Fatima. Kissa Fatima, Sabika, you have to wait, beta. We have 6 diagrams. Your turn will come back soon.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Kissa. Kissa, can you tell me the faces of cylinder right now?
Yes, two
Mariam, wait.
faces.
Mariam, wait. 2 faces. Are you sure, beta? Okay, now the turn. Sabika. Sabika, beta, speak. Can you tell me the faces of cylinder right now?
Miss Cylinder has a two faces, and ages is a 0 and vertex is 0.
Okay, let me tell you. Look at your diagram. Look at the screen, beta, everyone. Now I am highlighting the faces as well as edges and vertices if there is. Can you look at your screen? This is face number 1 at the top, at the bottom face number 2. What about the center part, everyone? One, 2. So how many faces does cylinder have? Please tell me. Please tell me. 2. Again, Anaya, are you telling me 2? Are you sure about it? Miss Ikra already explained about it. At the top, at the bottom, what about the center part? 4. Hassan Superhero, how? Hassan, now you have to speak. Hassan Superhero, speak beta. How? You are telling me, teacher, there are 4 phases. Can you explain?
Is it 3?
3. Yes, I have explained 3 now.
3.
Yes, 3. Okay, I already explained 3 phases of cylinder. Now look at the diagram. Now we are finding the ages. Ages, beta. Zara, would you like to unmute yourself? Zara, unmute yourself and tell me about the ages.
Miss 0.
0 ages? How could be, beta? There is no line over there. Please speak. Zayan, can you tell me about the ages? Ages, beta. A straight line. How many ages are you watching on the screen?
3.
Okay. Who wants to give me answer? Raise the hand. Mariam, do you want to give me answer? Okay, tell me, Mariam, about the ages.
Edges. There are 2 edges because
Yes, correct answer, Mariam. Your answer is correct. There are 2 ages. Look at the screen, everyone. This is 1. This is 2. So there are 2 ages. Understood, beta? Understood?
yes.
Now write your answer, everyone.
If there are 0 vertices, right?
Yeah, there is no vertices because there is no joining point. Now look at the diagram once again. There is no joining point. So that's why cylinder does not have any vertex. Got it? Got it? Now students, we have solved 3 shapes. Okay? Are you listening me very carefully? Other 3 is your homework because many of you did wrongly. So that's why today I am explaining again. Okay? So question number 4, 5 and 6 are your homework. Got it? Got it? Now look at the page number page number 8. Please kindly open page number 8, everyone. Please kindly open page number 8, everyone. Okay, yes, Sabika, this is right page. Daniel, what's happening, beta? Why are you shaking too much? Okay, now students, what to do with page number 8? Just you have to read the instructions. Number 1 is 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 corners. Just you have to take the diagram. Which one is the correct diagram of the question? You have to just tick. Got it? So this is also your homework. So that means on page number 6, we have to solve question number 4, 5, and 6. If you done it, so you have to correct that one homework. Got it? Then afterwards, you have to do page number 8. Got it? Beta, give me feedback because maths class is nearer to off. Give me thumbs up kindly. Okay, understood. Nurul Hadi, have you understood? Okay, okay, thank you so much. Okay. Now kindly give me thumbs up if you understood each and everything. Kindly give me thumbs up right now, everyone. Okay, Kanza, what about you, beta? Inaya, okay. Jafar, Sabika, Zayan, you didn't understand, beta? Okay, Zara, thank you. Thank you so much. Do you want to ask something, Zayan? Okay. Speak, beta.
How many minutes are left when the class will end?
Beta, please. Your tone is very low. Kindly loud.
How many minutes are left when the class will end?
Beta, your math class is almost end. After 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you can join your GK class. Got it?
Can
I am
you
giving you. Yes, tell me.
can you see my video?
Which one, beta?
Fine.
Which one?
Zianuddin.
Where I have to watch your video? Can you tell me the location?
Teacher, I'm always raising my hand. Why are you not giving response?
Okay, maybe from due to short screen, that's why, small screen, that's why I didn't watch you. And I know you are very responsible student. That's why I didn't ask you. Okay, in GK class, inshallah, I will ask you. Got it? Now you have 3 minutes break time. You have to go have some water and rejoin your GK class. Got it, everyone? And Zayan, don't be disappointed if Miss Ikras missed to select you. So forgive your teacher. I know you are the responsible student. That's why. Okay? And due to sometimes small screen, I can't see every students. Got it, beta? Don't be disappointed. Now go have some water and come back with your GK worksheets. Fine. Sabika, on your next class we will talk. Go everyone and rejoin Miss Ikra.